We interrupt our road trip vlogs because one, our hard drive crashed with all the videos on it, but we're hoping to get those recovered and have those up in a few weeks. And most importantly, two, we are on our way to Austin right now for a really exciting weekend.
Oh yeah, so we've been keeping a big secret from you guys.
Ooh.
Some would say that it's pretty life-changing. So
that sounds fun. Unfortunately, we can't tell you quite yet, so stay tuned.
Hallelujah, we made it to Austin.
It is midnight and we are exhausted, so we're gonna go get some rest because we have a very big day tomorrow.
Good morning from beautiful Austin, Texas. We have a big day on tap. We got to get through the work day first.
Yeah, so we are at Merit Coffee, which is a San Antonio-based roaster. They have a really cool little coffee shop here in the Seaholm district, which is this old Austin power plant area that's been transformed to a bunch of restaurants and shops. It's a really neat area. We recommend checking it out. It's right by Town Lake, so if you're walking along Town Lake, you can come grab a coffee or grab some lunch. So we're gonna spend most of the day there, knocking out some work, and then our big surprise.
Yeah.
Taking a quick taco break at our favorite taco shop in Austin, Torchy's Tacos. We love this place so much. We got a bunch of different tacos and our favorite part, the chips and the queso.
We are on our way to our top secret surprise. How you feeling back there?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling nervous. I'm pumped. I can't wait to share it. Woo! All right, here we go.
And we are in Austin. How are you feeling back there?
Feeling, oh.